In this video, I will explain how you can edit the motion graphics templates or the mograt files in Adobe Premiere Pro. So when you import the mograt files, you will find them in Essential Graphics panel. So just click on the browse and you will see list of all the mograt files available for you to use. If you can't find this Essential Graphics panel, you can go to Window and then click on Essential Graphics. If it is already checked, most probably it will be there on the right hand side. Make sure that you are in the editing workspace, and let us say I want to use this mograt or motion graphics template. So this is just a normal text. I'm just gonna drag and drop on the timeline where I want this to appear, and as you can see it is appearing right over here. And now to edit this, all you have to do is just, let us say you want to edit this text. So all you have to do is just click on the text. You can see this text tool is selected, and you can also edit this like this, and you can see that this motion graphics template has changed, and similarly you can also change the subtitle as well. As you can see, as you take your mouse over that particular text, it is highlighted in a red color, and that way you can change it. Or you can also change it on the right hand side. You can see there is a source text buttons over there, so you can change the text that way as well. To select and move this graphics object, what you have to do is you have to click on this object, but make sure that you are not clicking on the text, otherwise text tool will be selected. So just click somewhere here. To select and move this particular graphics object, what you have to do is that make sure that you have selected the selection tool, and then you have to double click on this object, but make sure that you are clicking on this object where the text is not available. For example, if I double click over here, what will happen is that text tool will be selected and you will be able to edit the text, but you will not be able to move this particular object. So make sure that you are clicking somewhere here on the, say on the border, and you can see that this particular object is selected now, and you can move this, okay, like this. That's it. Thanks for watching.